Hi friends, once again it is on the health, free health services, very nice, but this time it's on only on the face. Okay, now this comes from a therapy called as fasciotherapy, which has originated from acupuncture. As you know, acupuncture has got 12 meridians plus to 14 meridians, which has got about 361 points, and then you have some extra meridians in that, which is called as extraordinary meridian, and then you have auriculotherapy, which is of the points of the ear. So roughly it makes about 497 points. It makes about. From that derived, from this acupuncture derived, and the doctor called us Dr. Bui Kok Chua, who was my guru in 1996-97 when I was doing a project in Vietnam. Fundamentally, I went and did a diploma course in acupuncture, and from there I learned this fasciotherapy. So what it does is all the points which are shown in this diagram has got about 564 points are there, and in case of diseases we puncture each and every point, or we can massage with a particular instrument. Above all that, the better thing is, now people do not know acupuncture, people do not know this. The best thing is massage all the points at the given time. So the massage goes on like this. It's very simple. Rub your hand, make it hot and keep it on the palm, on the eyes. Rub your hand, make it hot, keep it on the eyes. Rub your hand 3 times and keep it on the eyes. That is the first step. So what happens? You heat that area because eyes are connected directly to the brain inside. This we'll discuss sometime else. Then the first step, take your hand, put on the face and rub like this. You need to rub about 25 to 30 times. That is number 1. Number 2, you just massage this place. Again 25 to 30 times. Okay. Then what you do, massage on the nose. (25 to 30 times), right? Now that is the third. Then the fourth, just take a palm and rub on the forehead. Again 25 to 30 times. Got it? Then again take the hand like this and rub on the side of the face. Done? Now take the 2 fingers and rub on your lips. Right? These nodes are very vital points, remember that. Then again, you make the finger like this, 2, and come here and do like this. Hope you can see it. Or you see this side. All 20 to 25 times. Then what you do? Do like this. By now, you should be sweating. Got it? And then the next is, take a hand like this and do like on your neck. Or like this with the left hand. Having done that, go to the next step. Do like this on the head. Open your fingers. Do like that on the head. All the head points will be covered. 25 to 30 times. Well done. By now, you are really sweating. After this, just take your 2 index fingers and do this on the eyebrow, which you did before also. You can do like this. You can do like this. You can do like this. Again, 25 to 30 times. Then you take your both your index fingers and keep in this area and massage. Don't press too much. Just be nominally you do it. Okay? Done? So far so good. And then what you do, come to your nose, below the nose, come to this point, press this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go on pressing that point, nothing else. Last but not the least, go to the ears and just massage the full ear. Pull it, push it. Pull it, push it. Pull it, push it. Having done this, finally, you just do a normal breathing but long breath. Breathe out through the mouth. This would have taken max about 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Whenever you're sitting down at home, waiting for the coffee or waiting for anything, just do this. Your body will become hot, especially the head, the whole body will become hot, the circulation increase and be fantastic. It is said by Dr. Chow, who was my guru, that if you continuously do this for about 30-40 days, you'll be very, very healthy. Okay. Should you have any questions again, please come back to me on this. Thank you very much for watching.